Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lagda, Assistant Professor in Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. My today's topic is Integrated Marketing Communication. In short, IMC. Definition of IMC, component of IMC, benefits of IMC, and the last one is importance of IMC. Now start with the introduction. IMC, Integrated Market Communication, is an approach to brand communication where the different modes work together to create a seamless experience for the customer and are presented with a similar tone and style that reinforce the brand's core message. Its goal is to make all aspects of marketing communication such as advertising, sales promotion, public relation, direct marketing, personal selling, online communication and social media work together as a unified force rather than permitting each to work in isolation, which in turn maximize their cost of effectiveness. Now, what is integrated marketing communication? Integrated marketing communication is a process for planning, executing, and monitoring the brand message that create customer relationship. Again, IMC is a coordination and integration of all marketing communication tools, avenues, and source within a company into a seamless program that maximize the impact on consumers and other end users at a minimum cost. IMC is a strategic business process used to plan, develop, execute, and evaluate coordinated, measurable, persuasive brand communication programs with consumer, customer prospects, employees, and other relevant external and internal audience. Now, various components of IMC. First one is the foundation. As the name suggests, foundation stage involves detailed analysis of both the product as well as a target market. It is essential for marketers to understand the brand, its offering, and end users. You need to know the need, attitude, and expectation of the target consumers. Keep a close watch on competitors' activities. Second is the corporate culture. The feature of product and services ought to be in line with the work culture of the organizations. Every organization has a vision and its importance for the marketers to keep in mind the same before designing product and services. Let us understand it with the help of example. Organization A's vision is to promote green and clean world. Naturally, its product need to be eco-friendly and biodegradable in lines with the vision of the organization. Next is brand focus. Brand focus represent the corporate identity of the brand. Next is communication tools. Communication tools includes various mode of promoting a particular brand such as advertising, direct selling, promoting through social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Orkut, and so on. Next is promotional tools. Brands are promoted through various promotional tools such as trade, promotions, personal selling, and so on. Organizations need to strengthen their relationship with the customer and external clients. Next is integration tools. Organizations need to keep a regular track on consumers' feedback and reviews. You need to have specific software like customer relationship management (CRM), which helps in measuring the effectiveness of various integrated marketing communication tools. And next is consumer experience. Marketers need to focus on consumer experience with refer to what the consumer or customer feel about the product. A consumer is likely to pick up a product which has good packaging, look attractive. Products need to meet and exceed customers' expectations. Now, what are the benefits of IMC? Although IMC requires a lot of effort, it delivers many benefits. It can create competitive advantages, boost sales and profit while saving money, time and stress. First is IMC wraps communications around customer and help them move through the various stages of the buying process. The organization simultaneously consolidate its image, develop a dialogue and nurture its relationship with customers. Second one is this relationship marketing cements a bond of loyalty with the customer which can protect them from the inevitable onslaught of competition. The ability to keep a customer for life is a powerful competitive advantage. IMC also increase profit through increased effectiveness. At its most basic level, a unified message has more impact than a disjointed message. In a busy world, a consistent, consolidated, and crystal clear message has a better chance to cutting through a noise of over 500 commercial messages which bombard customer each and every day. Next is at another level, initial research suggests that image shared in advertising and direct mail boost both advertising awareness and mail short response. So IMC can boost sales by stretching message across several communications tools to create more avenues for customer to become aware, aroused and ultimately to make a purchase. Next is carefully linked message also help buyer by giving timely reminder, updated information and special offers which when presented in a planned sequence help them move comfortably through the stage of their buying process, and this reduce the misery of choice in a complex and busy world. Next is IMC also makes message more consistent and therefore more credible. This reduces risk in the mind of buyer which in turn shorten the search process and help to dedicated the outcome of brand comparison. Next one is unintegrated communication send disjointed messages which dilute the impact of the message. This may also confuse, frustrate, and arouse anxiety in the customer. On the other hand, integrated marketing communication present a reassuring sense of order. Consistent image and relevant useful message help nurture long-term relationship with customers. Here customers database can identify precisely with customers need what information when and throughout their whole buying life. Now last is finally, IMC saves money as it eliminates duplication in the area such as graphics and photography since they can be shared and used in say advertising, exhibitions and sales literature. Agencies fees are reduced by using a single agency for all the communication, and even if there are several agencies, time is saved when meetings bring all the agencies together for briefing, creative session, tactical or strategic planning. This reduces workload and subsequent stress level, one of the many main benefit of IMC. And the last one is importance of IMC. From where and toward what? Before IMC, media advertisement is required. After IMC, integrated marketing communication, multiple forms of communication are available. Before IMC, mass media. After IMC, specialized media. And before IMC, manufacturer dominance. After IMC, retailer dominance. In before IMC, journal focus. After IMC, database marketing. Low agency accountability towards greater agency accountability. From traditional compensation towards performance based compensation. And the last one is limited internet availability towards widespread internal availability. This is all about IMC. Thank you students. Thank you so much.